In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently remove YouTube notifications. If you're tired of pop-ups, pings, and emails cluttering your day, this walkthrough will help you shut them down cleanly and keep them off. We'll do this right from the YouTube website on a desktop browser, and the changes will apply to your account wherever you use YouTube. First, sign in to YouTube. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right and click your profile picture. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings where all your notification controls live. On the left-hand side, click Notifications. This page is your control center. At the top, find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. There's a main toggle here that controls whether YouTube can send you on-screen alerts through your browser. Turn that main toggle off. Doing this stops new pop-up and alert-style notifications on your computer. If your browser or operating system had previously allowed notifications, this switch tells YouTube not to send them anymore. Next, fine-tune the types of alerts you might still receive inside YouTube or on other devices. Scroll through the categories like subscriptions, recommendations, and your channel. If your goal is a quiet experience, turn these off as well. Subscriptions controls alerts for new videos from channels you follow. Recommendations covers suggested content, and your channel includes things like mentions or activity related to your own uploads. Turning these off ensures YouTube won't try to reach you with category-based updates. If there's a specific type you still want, feel free to leave just that one on. Otherwise, switch them all off for a clean slate. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the notifications page to the email notifications section. This is important because YouTube can email you even if desktop alerts are off. Disable email notifications here to stop updates from landing in your inbox. This includes digests, announcements, and activity summaries. Once you toggle these off, YouTube will stop sending routine emails. If you ever want a periodic summary later, you can return to this section and re-enable only what you want. A couple of quick notes before we wrap up. Your changes save automatically, so there's no save button to press. If you still see alerts after doing this, it may be your browser or device showing older permissions. A quick check of your browser's notification permissions can confirm that YouTube isn't allowed there. Also, if you use multiple Google accounts, repeat these steps for each one. That's it. You've turned off desktop notifications, disabled category-specific alerts, and stopped emails, giving you a quieter, distraction-free YouTube experience.